Hi, this is Anne Walsh again here from getgoodAtExcel.com, and this is the second of our lessons on pivot tables. So I'm using the same file that I used in the first one. You have it here, and as they say in all the good cookery programs, here's one I've made earlier. Right? And this lesson is actually going to be quite short because what I just want to show you here is a lesser known feature in pivot tables called report filter options. So I go down here to my sheet 4, and here's the pivot table that I've done earlier. Now if you notice here, because I've clicked outside the pivot table, I can't see any of my usual pivot table options. So if I want to be able to see them, I have to actually go and click in the pivot table. And when I do that, if you look up here, I see I now have my two new ribbons, options and design, for my pivot tables. Okay. So what I'm just going to look at specifically just in this particular section is a feature called, and let me just come up here to the top left hand side, called Show Report Filter Pages. And the idea behind this is that if I go up to my classification up here, top left hand side, drop down, right, you see there I have food, services and support. Now let's say, for example, what I want to do is just create a pivot table for each of those sectors. I could each filter it and then save it and then move it on. But Excel actually provides me with another option that allows me to very quickly create those. So if I come up here to my top left hand side, click up here beside options, the second option down, it says Show Report Filter Pages. So I just click on that and this box comes up which says Show All Report Filter Pages of Classification. Now if I had added another heading to my report filter page up here, it would also appear, but in this case it's just the classification, and all I need to do now is click on OK. And when I do that, if you look down here, bottom left hand side, I now have a pivot table for my food, for my services and my support. Okay. So again, one of the lesser known features, but if it's something that you need to do, it will save you a lot of time. And again, if you want to just go and check out my website, Get Good at Excel, for more help and resources. Okay. Take care. Slán.